Okay, so we are at food truck festival.
Festival.
Festival?
Everybody said it.
We're in a festival, and we're just walking around, going to the festival.
Take yeah, the white line marks.
He's weird. All the
He's weird.
I just called her a
Girl, I take you to school every day. You should at least know and know the difference between a he and a she.
Harry, she's ruining my video.
It's our video. It's not your video. It's our video.
You're supposed to be focusing on me, not you.
Here, take a view of that right
Who
there.
wants to focus on you? Okay, view.
Take a view of that right there.
Let's take 5 seconds of this beautiful. Get your hand. 5 seconds of this gorgeous, beautiful view.
Beautiful view.
I don't even know what language I'm speaking, but beautiful view. 5,
Crocodile.
4,
There's a crocodile.
3, 2, 1. And there's a crocodile! Alligator!
Yeah, alligator.
It's an alligator! You ready to eat? Eat some sugar. Candy, look. That's your name. Carolina. But I don't like shrimp. But you don't like shrimp. I don't like shrimp, so that's a no.
I do like it.
No, you don't. I don't. No. Options, 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 options. Ooh. Banana. Bread. Oh, chocolate. Ah. I don't know. What do you want?
Ice cream.
You want ice cream? I don't know what I want. You make that look easy. She's like, I got this. Would have been me, everything would be like dripping all over the place.
That's part of the
You want to practice? Look at that. That's perfection right there. And Nutella. Yes. Yes. I wouldn't mind some extra, you know, I wouldn't mind if you just dropped the jar on the thing. Yeah. Oh, yes. Woo. Yeah. Oh, yes. Oh my God, you guys are awesome. Ooh, it's hot. Thank you. Bye. This is so good. This is so good.
Huh?
I'm just saying that this is good.
Oh, you're recording.
I'm just gonna stay here with my Nutella banana crepe. Ah.
Weirdo.
So good. You're the weirdo. 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 Ha! You can't see it. If you can see it, it's not there. Okay, stop. You can see it now. You can see it now. So we all know about YouTube's copyright law and stuff. So I mean, I can't really tell what song these guys are playing, but what I can tell you is that they're really good. They were really good, and they're really awesome too. The guy on the left, he's like, And then the guy on the right is like, and then the guy starts singing, "Oh my baby, down down down, down down, oh my baby." All right, I'm just gonna stop. Yes, all right. Now let's continue this. Bye. There's no food truck festival without stopping at the playground. Boom! Don't kick the camera though. Stop. Oh, you lost one shoe. You lost the second. All right. Bye bye, shoes. We're going back home with no shoes. Woo!
My shoes!
Oh my God. Just admire the view. Just admire the view. Until you see this. You don't want that. No, 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 no. Oh my baby. Down, 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 down.